Uh, hey guys, Ian here. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm playing Battle Cats. And now that I said everything I needed to in the intro for the last episode, I don't really need to say anything. So yeah, I did a bit offline. I didn't really do that much offline though. All I really did was try to get to... Oh wait, never mind. I actually did a lot offline. So I got that Go-Go Battle Cats game. Oh. Alright, I just got a free bear ticket. Well, I did that Go-Go Battle Cats game, and it gave me free items in the actual Battle Cats. Like free rare tickets, free treasure ups, speed ups, I think, and like cat jobs. I'm not. I think one thing was a rich cat, and then like some other stuff. But yeah, I don't know why I sent that to the storage because I'm gonna use that. Because efficiency is really helpful. Like, I think it should be pretty obvious that I actually did it because I have a lot more XP than I did before. So what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna try out this once more because I did one, and the lucky thing is I was actually going to record using all my rare cat tickets, but the good thing is I got the bishop cat again, so yeah, so I'm gonna try it once and see what I get. What is this? Excuse me? I have no idea. I'm not even gonna ask. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I think that's a new cat because I've never gotten this cat before. Dang. Alright. Well, that was cool. So now I think... Oh, by the way, I put all my cats into the thing this time. So, yeah. My welterweight cat, and my bishop cat, and my flower cat in TV. I also got the cow cat, but like, I only played like one level. Or, like 2. Okay, since it says there's 4 enemies appearing, that means there's gonna be one of the boss enemies, so... Well, they're not bosses. I actually fought the pig already on action, and beat him. Which is kind of sad because I was thinking of using, or not using, like, recording me beating up a pig, but that's fine. Alright, so now I'm gonna go into India and see what I can do. If you can tell down there, I got a bunch of stuff, but that's alright. I don't really need any of it. I'm gonna save it for event stages, because those are when I'm actually gonna need it. I also tried one of the event stages and I completely failed it, which is kind of sad. So I upgraded my health a bit, but I still don't think it's enough, because the enemies there do like 50 damage. Also, I don't know what's going on with my voice. Let me just drink some water. Guys, I think I have the coronavirus. Hold on. Let me just pause this real quick. And I'm gonna pause this. Alright, so I'm back. And yeah, I dealt with my coronavirus, and now I'm back on track. Time to attack my enemies, because I think I have enough of everything. No, I don't. I don't have enough of everything. I need more tanks. Need more tanks, cow, stop. You know what, the cow is a bad idea. I'm gonna be honest with you, the cow was a bad idea. Luckily, those guys are very overpowered. I don't know why. Alright, now just comes the boss. I'm kinda scared because it's not coming out yet. It's a hippo. If we just attack fast enough, then it won't even have to deal with the hippo. 2 hippos. I see. So now, we're dealing with 2 hippos. If they didn't spawn so much those guys, this would be so much easier. Right. So, what did we learn? 2. Alright, please get some attacks in. I would greatly appreciate it. No! Why are these things attacking me? I'm gonna look back at this level and realize how easy this was, but right now it's not so easy. I need a high damage attacker. I'm fast. I don't even know if Bishop Cat does a lot of damage or not. I don't care, he's cheap to use. He's already dying. Need more meat shields. Welterweight cats out there. Those weights look like they do a lot of damage. Yes! He's gonna save the day. Welterweight cat. Yeah! Welterweight cat, save the day! Alright, welterweight cat, here's your time. 2 welterweight cats, 1 mission. And they did it. Alright, well, I win the level. The thing is, recording these is so awkward when you're actually recording them, but knowing you can edit them later makes it so much easier. I don't know, I'm just checking everything right now. Alright, time to get this bread, gamers. No. I instantly regret saying that. Alright, so that was pretty easy. So, yeah. Clear Berkstoria attack stage. For a cat ticket? No. Let me check these. 10 times for. Why would I do all this just for a cat ticket? I don't get it. Alright, well, let me go check what's in the next level. If it's 4 enemies, then I'm probably just going to pause the recording to when I see something interesting. Alright, I'm back, and basically I paused at Dubai because Dubai, I know, has a lot of penguins, and I want to see if I can get the penguins first try. So yeah, let's get into this. I already spent all my money, and Yeah, so let's go. Alright, just upgrade right now. I think the penguins come out as soon as you attack the base. And obviously I need a lot of things before I attack this base. Put my tank cat out there. Alright, I completely forgot I was recording, so yeah, that was really awkward, but I'm gonna be honest, I'm probably gonna beat this level, I don't know, but oh my god, the penguins are here, and they're gonna wreck everything. They're actually wrecking everything. Yep, they are gonna destroy my all being. What do I do exactly against this? Because it looks like they're really beating on me right now. I'm gonna be honest with you. Yeah, they're really mauling me down here. Alright, so excuse me. Can I not die? Please? Please. I'm begging this game not to kill me. But I think it's gonna kill me. I think the boss is gonna win. How much times can the penguin get knocked back? Because I just knocked him back one time. Please slow the penguin. Yes, it actually slowed the penguin. The only thing I wanted it to slow down. Thanks, I appreciate it. Oh no, they're getting to my base. They're starting to get on the camera. Mom, get the camera! Well, this is the end of my life. Oop. Oh, I knocked him back. No! Please, 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 I'm begging this game. I'm begging this game. Please, please. They have to be at least a little almost dead, right? Like, just a little. I'm begging you. Please, please. Yeah, oh, no, I thought he was dead. I thought he was dead. Yes, one of them died. One of them died. Alright, I can win. I can still win. Yes, I won. We did it. The cats did it. We literally almost died though. Let me just put my cow cat out there now, because the actual hard enemies are dead. Unless there's more penguins and I just started fighting them. Which in that case would be pretty sad. For me, at least. Because I can assume that a penguin could kill all of us. Penguins in real life look and act nice. But in Battle Cats, every friendly animal kills you. Oh hey, I got a treasure. I don't know why, because to me that was pretty slow, but I guess the game thought I did it fast. Alright, so now I think I'm gonna go try out an event stage and see if I can actually do this. So event stages, let's go. So Meow Meow Day. This one's new. 22, guaranteed chance to pick up cat food. Alright. So Cat Day. Wait, oh, never mind, I get it. They gave me so much of that because it's cat day. I don't think this is supposed to be meant for a challenge, but I'm gonna put some heat shields out anyways. Yep, they're one hit, never mind, this is easy. I appreciate the decorations though. Those are pretty sweet. Things cost more money, I see. Oh, alright, well, I just killed the main enemy. Well, I wonder what my prize will be, because obviously it's gonna be cat food, but, like, what else? Alright, so, let's go! Attack them! I win. The thing is, they really tried making this easy, and it worked. 23 XP, cat food, 30 cat food, and a leadership. So, I just got one leadership, which is a really good thing, by the way. Oh, and by the way, if you guys don't know, I'm trying to save up cat food right now, as you can see. So when instant 100% uber rare drop happens, I can actually afford it. So yeah, let me check. Which one of these should I check out? Bears be bear. Well, I'll try this one, because it only has 3 levels. And I mean, I have a leadership. 50,000 XP. Dang. This level must not be as easy as this saying is. But it looks like it. Only 10,000 health on the base. I'm not gonna upgrade too much because I want to get that time score. You know what I'm saying? So I'm expecting an easy, breezy, lemon squeezy time right now. But, just in case, I'll get out my welterweight cat. Which I actually don't know if I'm going to be able to afford, gonna be honest. Alright, I cannot afford it yet. I still have to wait. Alright. So, all my meat shields died, so I need to place some. I really would appreciate it. Like, you could kill my ninja cat so he doesn't get all the way to the base first. Because I need some more things down. I actually don't know if this is going to help what enemies are going to be here. And I'm kind of scared now, I'm going to be honest. Alright, well. It's too late now. They're already there. Unless I get it close. I'm not ready for that at all. So I'll go try that later when I have better cats. Alright, so basically I may or may not have accidentally spent all of my energy on that. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna end off the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I did, except for the moment where it was really awkward. But anyways, see you guys later. Bye!